Before we begin today's story, let me ask you one simple question. What if one decision could completely change your life? Today's inspiring story is about hope, courage, perseverance, and the incredible power of learning English. As you follow Adam's journey, you'll not only enjoy a meaningful story, but you'll also improve your English listening, reading, vocabulary, and comprehension in a natural way. Listen carefully, learn new words, and let this story inspire you to keep moving toward your dreams. Now, take a deep breath, open your mind, and let's begin this unforgettable journey together. The Power of One Decision. Chapter 1. A Dream. Waiting to wake up. On a quiet evening, as the sun slowly disappeared behind the mountains, a young man named Adam sat alone on an old wooden bench outside his small house. The cool breeze gently touched his face, but it could not calm the storm inside his heart. At 24 years old, Adam felt lost. Every morning, he woke up with the same question in his mind. Is this all my life will ever be? His village was peaceful, but opportunities were rare. Most people spent their entire lives doing the same work, following the same routine, and dreaming the same unfinished dreams. Adam wanted something different. He wanted to travel across the world. He wanted to read great books written by famous authors. He wanted to understand documentaries, attend international conferences, and speak with people from different cultures. Most of all, he wanted to become the best version of himself. But there was one obstacle standing between him and his dreams. He did not know English. Whenever he watched an inspiring video, he depended on subtitles. Whenever he visited an educational website, he became frustrated because he could not understand most of the content. Whenever he imagined working for an international company or studying abroad, the same thought stopped him. My English isn't good enough. Day after day, that sentence became a prison inside his mind. One rainy afternoon, Adam visited the old public library at the edge of the town. It was a quiet place filled with the comforting smell of old books. As he walked slowly between the shelves, one book suddenly caught his attention. Its cover was simple. Its title was even simpler. One decision can change your life. Curious, Adam opened the first page. Instead of reading a long introduction, he found only one sentence. The future belongs to those who decide before they are ready. He read the sentence once, then twice, then 10 times. Something inside him began to change. For the first time in many months, he realized that he had been waiting for the perfect moment. He had been waiting until he had more confidence, more money, more free time, more motivation. But the perfect moment never came. He closed the book slowly and whispered to himself, "Maybe I don't need a perfect moment. Maybe I only need one decision." That evening, Adam returned home with a different heart. He took a small notebook from his desk and wrote one simple promise. I will study English every single day. Not when I feel motivated. Not when life becomes easier. Every day. Even if it is only for 30 minutes. The next morning, he woke up before sunrise. Instead of checking his phone, he opened an English story. He understood only a few words. The rest looked impossible. Still, he continued reading. One page, then another. Every unknown word became a new friend. Every difficult sentence became a new challenge. Every small improvement gave him new hope. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Slowly, English stopped looking like a wall. It became a bridge leading toward new knowledge, new friendships, and new opportunities. Adam finally understood something that many people never discover. Success does not begin with talent. It begins with a decision. And sometimes, one decision is powerful enough to change an entire life.